So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this fabulous unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this unit is being brought to you guys by Morvally. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video and allowing me to share it with my fabulous divas. But yeah, if you guys are interested in the details and the specs on this unit, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so jumping right in, this unit is called Morvally Fashion Purple Glueless Lace Front Wig, and it is heat resistant, and the color is called Fashion Purple. So here is what the wig comes with. It does come in the Morvally packaging, as well as a wig cap and of course the netting on top of the wig to preserve the curls. And this unit is big head friendly and it's super long. I was very surprised though, the luster on it is not bad. I know my ring light may be making it look like it's like super shiny, but it's not super shiny. It actually has a healthy luster. Also, the cap is big head friendly, and I do have a big head in case you want to use that for reference. This unit does come with 3 combs at the top and no combs in the back, but it does have the adjustable straps. This unit also features a soft lace, and it features about maybe 2 inches of parting space, which you guys will see here. So here's the unit straight onto my head, and of course it needs a lot of work because that lace is super light, and this is a purple wig, so it will need just a lot of work. On me, this unit falls at about 20 to 22 inches, and I am 5'2", in case you want to use that for reference. This unit does come with some shedding and tangling, but fear not, you can just take your wig control spray and go ahead and fix that, and you'll be fine for a couple hours. But make sure you keep that paddle brush if you do decide to wear her out. But yeah, I did go in and have another day that I'm going to be wearing this unit because I just felt like I didn't like the way it looked this day. It was just like, it was a no. Like, my hairline protrudes out, but I was like, no, we can do better. But anyways, I'm going in to make the unit work for me right now, but you guys will see me another day. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You guys will have my closing thoughts here in a few seconds. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So first of all, I do want to explain, I know that I am like in different clothing and different makeup and everything. This is another day. I was looking at the footage as I was editing it, and I just really did not like the way the unit was kind of like laying on my hairline. If you guys don't know, my hairline does protrude out, and sometimes I have to like go in with the extra mile, and I guess I didn't realize that in the process of the first day of me wearing the wig. So here we are again on another day. So yeah, I just didn't want to give you guys like a crappy video, or I didn't want the wig to look crappy because I didn't want to take from it at all, because it's actually a really beautiful unit. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into how I feel. So I really do like this unit. It's really pretty. I love the color on it. Obviously it's like really gorgeous. So and I just like, dyeing hair is a big task for me. Like, it's a big job for me. So this is really good if you want like lavender hair and you kind of want something that looks custom but you don't have to customize it yourself. So I really do like that this unit does provide that for you. However, this unit does have cons. Obviously, color units to me always have like cons, like whether they're human or synthetic. So one of the cons with this unit is basically that it does shed and tangle, but it's nothing that's too bad. You guys already know, which I know I say it all the time, just get your wig control spray and spray it, detangle it, and you will be good for some hours. But definitely make sure that you carry your brush with you if you do have a unit that does tangle. But overall, like, it's not like one of those units that just tangle like every freaking second, but it does tangle, and you do need to, like, you know, spray your wig control spray on it, and you also need to detangle it so that it can, you know, just be pretty. Because now that I've detangled it, it just looks really pretty. This time I did decide to kind of go for like a loose half up half down, because it is pretty hot. It's not super burning up right now because it is morning time, but I just wanted the hair to kind of be out of my face, and then I thought it would be really cute like this for like a summer look. So it's not like a defined ponytail, it's kind of like just loose, and so the hair can be out of my face and so my highlight can show and everything. But overall, I really do like the unit. I think that it is really pretty. Like I said before, the only cons that I have is the shedding and the tangling, but that can be fixed as well. So if you are wondering like how you look with purple hair, or you wanted something that has like a custom look and you don't want to spend all the money on the bundles and just customizing it with the time and the product as well, I would definitely recommend this. It definitely does give off a little bit of cosplay vibes, and I'm sorry if you guys can see my hair right here. Like I said before, my hair does protrude out, so you know, it's not gonna be perfect, but I tried my best, okay? But yeah, I would definitely recommend this unit if you want to know how you look with lavender hair, or you have like an event you're going to, or you just, I don't know, like you just want lavender hair. I would definitely recommend it. The hair is super soft, the cap construction is really nice, so this is overall a very nice unit. So yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a link down in the description box below where you guys can find it. This is actually a unit from Amazon, which I was super excited to do because I absolutely love Amazon. In case you guys don't know, like I'm always on Amazon every single day getting stuff that I probably don't need, but hey, like. But yeah, if you guys are interested in the unit, then definitely check the description box below. And yeah, divas, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous divas did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and communicate with you guys if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous fabulous divas in my next video. Bye.